acknowledgments of excellence in education. I stand here before you tonight to deliver this message from my heart because of my love for the attainment of knowledge and a deep respect for the exhibition of excellence in education. I stand here before you with sincerity and appreciation, not only me, but a representative of all of the youth, from pre-K3 through 12th grade, whose lives you effectively and lovingly touch on a daily basis. As I acknowledge your accomplishment, you, the teachers of the year, and the assistant principals, I want you to know that we, your students, salute you. And we love you for all that you do, for all of your sacrifices, for all of the trials and tribulations that you endure to inspire us to be the very best that we can be. We know that your job is not easy, and sometimes we unintentionally make it harder. But you have proven your love for us and your commitment for our success through your achievement of Teacher of the Year. You are our champions. You are our ticket to board the vessel that we ride along the journey of becoming educated. You are our peek into the future. Our promise that we will become successful and productive citizens of tomorrow. We ask that you continue to ride with us in the manner that you do, because inquiring minds need to be fed. Inquiring minds need to be nurtured. Inquiring minds need to know. This inquiring mind needs to grow and evolve into something special. It requires the nourishment that comes from a synergy designed with my best interest at heart. An effort unselfishly made so that I am left with the ability and the know-how to set and accomplish my goals. Goals formed so that I will leave my mark on this planet Earth. Nourishment that will strengthen my desires to follow in the footsteps of Barack Hussein Obama, a distinguished black male and excellent role model and a great politician, and ultimately the first black leader of the free world. Simply, ladies and gentlemen, this is just the way I feel. The way we, your students, feel. That with our exposure to you, we can be all of what we expect we can be. With all of my heart, all of the hearts of your students that I represent, I bring you this salute of your attention to the details